use your KidiZoom Creator Cam to create some illusion. You know, like a magic trick. And kids, this is advertising. You'll need your Creator Cam, tripod, and something you want to make magically appear. On your Creator Cam, select the Creativity Tools mode and then Trick Video Maker, because that's what we want to do. The Creator Cam will show instructions, which is super duper helpful. This toy does not come with the Creator Cam. Are you ready to do some magic? Yes, I am! First, stand with your Creator Cam like this, and then get into position. That should work. Now, hit the red button to take your video. Let's see what we can make. Record the first half of the trick. Get your object. Line up your shot. And record the second half. Whoa, it's a lion. Amazing. Do you guys want to see it? Whoa, it's a lion. I'm Trinity, and that's how you can create your own illusions and tricks on your KidiZoom Creator Cam from VTech. Hope you have fun making things appear or disappear. Bye.